Let's explore the SQL NOT operator. This operator is used to exclude records using NOT. The SQL NOT operator negates a condition. It returns records that do not match the specified condition. It reverses the meaning of a logical operator and works with other operators like where, in, and like. The basic syntax is as follows. Select column 1, column 2, and so on from table name where not condition. For example, to select all customers not from the United States of America, you would use select asterisk from customers where not country equals USA. To select all products where the price is not greater than 50, you would use select asterisk from products where not price is greater than 50. The syntax for using NOT with the in operator is select column 1, column 2, and so on from table name where column name not in open parenthesis value 1 value 2 and so on close parenthesis. For example, to select all customers not in the USA, the UK, or Canada, you would use select asterisk from customers where country not in open parenthesis USA, UK, Canada, close parenthesis. The syntax for using NOT with the like operator is select column 1, column 2, and so on from table name where column name not like pattern. Common wildcards used with like include the %sign, which represents 0 or more characters, the underscore, which represents a single character, char list in square brackets, which represents any single character in the char list, and a caret followed by char list in square brackets, which represents any character not in the char list. For example, to exclude names starting with a, the query would be select asterisk from customers where customer name not like a followed by the %sign. This returns Bob Smith, Carol Johnson, Dave Miller, excluding Adam Lee and Amy Wilson. For example 2, to exclude products containing Apple, the query would be select asterisk from products where product name not like the %sign followed by Apple followed by the %sign. This returns banana smoothie, orange soda, grape jam, excluding apple juice and pineapple cake. The syntax for using NOT with the between operator is select column 1, column 2, and so on from table name where column name not between value 1 and value 2. For example, to select products outside a price range of 10 and 50, you would use select asterisk from products where price not between 10 and 50. To select orders outside a date range, you would use select asterisk from orders where order date not between 2023, 01, 01, and 2023, 12/31. The syntax for using NOT with the exists operator is select column 1, column 2, and so on from table 1, where NOT exists open parenthesis, select column names from table 2 where condition close parenthesis. For example, to find customers with no orders, you would use select customer name from customers C where NOT exists, open parenthesis, select order ID from orders O where a customer ID equals C customer ID, close parenthesis. The NOT exists operator returns data only when the subquery returns no rows. It is useful for finding records in one table that have no matching records in another table, and is often used for exclusion queries and finding missing relationships. Performance is usually better than using left join /is null for large datasets, and it returns true if the subquery returns 0 rows, false otherwise. Here are some best practices and tips for using the NOT operator. Consider performance impacts on large tables as it may prevent using indexes. Use positive conditions when possible for better readability. Be cautious with null values when using NOT. Test queries with NOT on small data samples first, and consider adding indexes on columns frequently used with NOT. For better readability, instead of using NOT with a complex or condition, it's better to use NOT in. Also, remember to handle nulls correctly by adding a condition is not null. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.